The Oreck HEPA Swivel Upright Vacuum Cleaner brings a classic approach to modern cleaning, marrying lightweight design with powerful performance to deliver an effortless clean. For anyone tired of lugging around a heavy, cumbersome vacuum, this model immediately stands out. The Oreck Vacuum's swivel steering makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and tight corners, which is a huge plus if you're dealing with tricky spaces. But don't let its lightweight nature fool you. This vacuum means business when it comes to suction power, giving you impressive cleaning on a variety of surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors. Let's break down what makes this Oreck vacuum worth considering. First off, the 2-speed controllable brush roll is a standout feature. With just a quick adjustment, you can switch between settings for deep cleaning carpets or more delicate care on hardwood and tile floors. This versatility makes it ideal for homes with different floor types, ensuring you're not overworking your vacuum on delicate floors or underperforming on thicker carpets. It's one of those little features that seem small but actually make a big difference in day-to-day use. On top of that, this Oreck model's ultra-lightweight design makes it easy to carry upstairs or move around your home. Weighing in at just under 9 pounds, you'll barely feel it lifting off the ground, which is a blessing for anyone who struggles with heavier vacuums. Its low-profile build also means it can slide easily under most furniture, making those hard-to-reach spots much easier to clean. No more awkward bending or dragging your vacuum across the floor trying to get into those spaces. The real hero of the Oreck HEPA Swivel vacuum, however, is its 4x larger capacity compared to standard bagless models. If you're tired of constantly stopping to empty the dustbin, this is a game changer. The vacuum's bag design not only holds more debris, but it also reduces the frequency of emptying, which means less mess and hassle for you. Plus, with the SaniSeal bags, you can lock in dirt, dust, and allergens, ensuring that nothing escapes when you're disposing of it. If you suffer from allergies or have pets, the Oreck Vacuum's HEPA media filtration is worth mentioning. It captures up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including pet dander, dust mites, and other common allergens. This can make a significant difference in homes where air quality is a concern. The HEPA filter combined with the sealed bags provides an extra level of peace of mind, especially for allergy sufferers, as it traps allergens inside the bag and keeps them from being released back into the air. But like every vacuum, this model does have a few downsides. While the swivel steering makes it incredibly nimble, it can also feel a little too light for some, especially on thicker carpets where you may want a bit more weight for better suction. Additionally, although the bag system is great for capacity and hygiene, some users may prefer the convenience of bagless models, which are often quicker to empty. For those who like to keep track of exactly how much dirt they've picked up, a bagged vacuum might feel a little less satisfying in that regard. In terms of real-world use, the Oreck shines on hardwood floors and area rugs. Its low-profile design and versatile brush roll really do allow for easy and efficient cleaning, even in tight corners or around edges. For carpet cleaning, it does a solid job, but on thick, plush carpets, you might find that it requires a little more effort to get into deep pile areas. The suction is strong, but not overwhelming, which strikes a good balance for most home types. If you're dealing with thick, high-pile carpets, though, you may want to consider a vacuum with a bit more heft and power for those surfaces. When we compare the Oreck HEPA Swivel Upright to some alternatives in the same price range, it does stand out for its lightweight build and superior filtration, especially for allergy sufferers. But there are a few other options out there that might offer more versatility when it comes to features like longer cords or advanced attachments. If you're looking for something a bit more tech-forward, you might want to look into models that include smart features or longer runtimes for larger homes. However, for smaller spaces, apartments, or homes with mostly hardwood floors and low-pile carpets, the Oreck is a fantastic option. One of the major selling points of this vacuum is its build quality. Oreck has a long-standing reputation for creating durable, reliable products, and this model doesn't disappoint. The materials feel solid, the components lock into place securely, and even after multiple uses, the vacuum holds up well. Maintenance is straightforward too. The bags are easy to replace, and the brush roll is simple to clean, even when dealing with pet hair or longer strands of hair that tend to get tangled in other vacuums. The only maintenance downside is that if you're used to bagless models, the bag change can feel a bit more like a chore. But the convenience of not needing to empty a bin repeatedly is worth it for many. When it comes to customer service, Oreck support has generally been well received. Their customer care team is responsive, and the vacuum comes with a decent warranty, which should offer peace of mind. Of course, most people will find they don't need to reach out often with this vacuum, thanks to its simple design and reliable construction. In terms of value for money, the Oreck HEPA Swivel Upright is a solid choice for the price, especially for those with allergies, pet owners, or anyone looking for a lightweight, effective vacuum that can tackle a variety of surfaces. It won't blow you away with crazy extra features, but it gets the basics right: solid suction, great filtration, and reliable performance for a range of floor types. When compared to other vacuums in the same range, the Oreck holds its own, offering excellent filtration, large capacity, and easy maintenance. So who is the Oreck HEPA Swivel Upright Vacuum best suited for? If you're in a smaller home, have mostly hard floors, or need a vacuum that's easy to maneuver and carry, this is a great option. It's also an excellent choice for allergy sufferers, as the HEPA filtration and sealed bags do a great job at trapping dust and allergens. If you have thick carpets or need something with a bit more suction power though, there might be alternatives that better meet those needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or already own the Oreck HEPA Swivel, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, happy cleaning!